Today, we saw the highest number of COVID-19 cases reported in a single day in Oregon. The Oregon Health Authority reported 575 confirmed or presumptive cases. That takes us to nearly 43,800 cases so far. The OHA says 2 more people have died from the virus. As we see a spike in cases, a local hospital is at the forefront of research for a coronavirus vaccine, and the FDA just approved a clinical trial to start right here in Portland at the Providence Cancer Institute.
It will be one of just 18 clinical trials across the country. Fox 12's Drew Reeves joins us now to explain how it will work. Drew?
Yeah, this trial is going to involve 36 volunteers with an emphasis on protecting people over the age of 50. The trial will follow those volunteers for the next 18 months, and researchers hope it will show that an effective vaccine has been developed so we can get back to normal. When the pandemic hit, it became clear to many scientists that it wasn't going away anytime soon. So they immediately got started working on finding a vaccine.
We started that process March 10th. March 30th, we had a package of 200 pages to go to the FDA.
Researchers with Providence Medical Group say it became clear that things were not going to change without that vaccine.
It's going to be critical to getting us back to a normal way of life.
Providence researchers developed a vaccine that mobilizes the immune system on 2 fronts, which may be a more effective response to fighting the virus. Now, clinical trials are set to begin. Providence says that it will consist of volunteers over the age of 18. Half of the volunteers given the vaccine will be between 18 to 50 years old, with the other half over 50. Scientists will also be using an immune booster called interleukin-12 on volunteers over the age of 50.
And we'll be able to look then at the people that are above 50, if they just get the spike vaccine, what does their immune response look like? And the people that are getting the spike in IL-12, what does their immune response look like?
They say they hope this will be effective in fighting off COVID-19, though they say they will have to research how long immunity lasts. Volunteers in the trial will be given 2 vaccinations about 30 days apart and monitored for 60 more days with blood tests to see how their immune system is doing. They will be looking at whether the vaccine generates antibodies and T cells that attack the virus. Researchers say that once a vaccine is approved by the FDA, the public can feel confident that it's safe.
When the FDA says the vaccine is safe and effective, they should go and they should take the vaccine because that'll be the best option they have.
And the trial will be happening here at Providence Medical Center in Portland. Providence says that more information about how to volunteer will become available when the trial is open for enrollment. Reporting live in Northeast Portland, Drew Reeves, Fox 12 Oregon.